Alleged social service fraud in Minnesota in the spotlight on Capitol Hill today, with Minnesota Governor Tim Walz and the state's Attorney General testifying. ABC's Jaclyn Lee has more.
Do you solemnly swear?
Minnesota Governor Tim Walz and State Attorney General Keith Ellison appeared on Capitol Hill today, testifying before the House Oversight Committee about alleged fraud in the state's social services programs.
In Minnesota, if you defraud public programs, if you steal taxpayer money, we'll find you, we'll prosecute you, we'll convict you, and we'll throw you in jail.
Committee Chairman James Comer accused state leaders of ignoring warnings from more than 30 whistleblowers.
What we've uncovered in Minnesota is not a paperwork error or a few bad actors slipping through the cracks. It is sustained failure of leadership. Governor Walz and Attorney General Ellison were warned repeatedly. Auditors raised red flags. Employees sounded alarms. Invoices didn't make sense. And still, the money kept flowing.
But Governor Walz and Attorney General Ellison defended their actions and said the allegations were being used as rationale for Operation Metro Surge, when the Trump administration deployed more than 3,000 federal immigration enforcement agents into the state.
Operation Metro Surge did nothing to address fraud in our state. It harmed our economy, it scarred our people, and it dealt a devastating blow to fraud enforcement in Minnesota.
The hearing grew fiery after various GOP House members questioned Walz for what they say is failing to stop fraudulent funding and calling on Ellison to resign.
You are not leading. You're not leading.
The committee, alleging an investigation found criminals stole about $9 billion in taxpayer funds meant to feed children, house low-income and disabled Americans, and provide health care to those on Medicaid.
Last week, the Trump administration announced it is withholding more than $250 million in Medicaid funds from Minnesota, claiming widespread fraud. Yesterday, the state sued, calling it unlawful. Jaclyn Lee, ABC News, Los Angeles.